Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter Z. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter Z. What sound does the Z make? It makes the Z sound. Shall we write the letter Z? We're going to start from the top, across, then diagonally down to the bottom line, and then across, letter Z. Let's write the Z sound. Start from the top, across, diagonally down to the bottom line, and then across. Z sound. Can you spot the letter Z? Let's name the letters. Y, B, Z. Can you point to the letter Z? Well done, super job, well done. Three more letters. Let's name the letters and find the letter Z. G, Z, X. Can you point to letter Z? Well done, super work, fantastic. Can you see the Z sound? Let's say the sounds. N, V, Z. Can you point to the Z sound? Well done, super work, fantastic. Three more sounds. Let's find the Z sound. G, Z, D. Can you point to the Z sound? Well done, fantastic job, well done. Now we have lots of letters. We're going to find the letter Z's and then color it when we find it. Are you ready? Let's have a go. Well done, we found the first Z. Great work, well done. Another Z. Fantastic. We found a third Z. Great work, well done. Another Z. Super work, fantastic. Now are there any more? Yes, well done. Fantastic. Is that it? Well done. There's one more. Fantastic. Well done. We found all the Z letters. Fantastic. Well done. Now we have lots of sounds here, and we're going to find the Z sounds, and then we're going to color them. Are you ready? Let's have a go. Well done. We found the first Z sound. Super well done. Another Z sound. Fantastic. Well done. So far we found 3 Z. Let's have a look. Yep, well done. Super work. Fantastic. Well done. Yep, there's another Z sound. Yep, well done. Great. And there's one more. The last Z sound. Well done. We found all the Z sounds. Which picture starts with the Z sound? Let's name the pictures. Park. Zoo. Beach. It's not the park or the beach. Well done. It's zoo. Now we have some numbers. We're going to find the number that starts with a Z sound. Let's name the numbers. 10. 7. 0. It's not the 10 or the 7. Well done. It's 0. Now we have 3 animals. We're going to find the animal that starts with a Z sound. Donkey. Zebra. Horse. It's not the horse or donkey. Well done. It's zebra. Now let's read some words that start with the Z sound. Z, ooh, z, ooh. zoo. Z, I, P. Z, I, P. Zip. Z, oo, m. Z, oo, m. Zoom. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Wow, look at that. You have a cute kitten and she has a message for you. Here you are. It says, "You are amazing. You are well done. Fantastic work." This is our final letter and you've done a fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Now, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.